Alright guys, meet me again with Andrew from New York, New York. For today, we have a cooking class at Kopi Kopi, one of Indonesian restaurant in Greenwich Village. And today we have pretty lucky, the really well-known famous from Indonesian master chef, Chef Henry Bloem. And also we have the guest student today. His name is Wangsa, and now he's doing our traditional Bubur Manado. It's typically like a traditional porridge from Manado, one of the city in Sulawesi. And our master chef right now, he's making a little ingredient for ayam Rica Rica, which is one of the traditional Sulawesi chicken dishes, spicy sauce. So, Chef, can you tell me a little bit what is ayam Rica Rica, Chef? What we have?
Rica Rica is like sweet meat.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of chilli and some garlic on it.
Okay.
Very red.
Okay. Do we have to pick different kind of chicken, or you can use any kind of type of chicken?
Actually, this one Rica is mean chili.
Okay.
So something like sambal or bumbu.
Okay.
For the meat, you can replace any kind of meat.
You can use seafood, beef,
lamb, anything.
Excellent. Sounds great. So what we're doing right now, you just put all the ingredients, trying to make the paste, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look closer what we have right now. Is it true Indonesian dishes is really well known with the garlic, ginger? That's like a main ingredient, right? In the meantime, let's see how Wangsa doing with the chicken porridge. It's getting there. Wangsa, tell me a little bit what we have today right here.
This is Bubur Manado.
Okay.
And little rice, little corn, and some pumpkin.
Okay.
And sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah. So this is probably the only dish that is not spicy. Yeah.
That's actually right. Can we substitute the vegetable with something else?
Yeah, sure.
Like, can we put little like spinach probably, or like if you don't like carrots, or if you don't like the corn, can we substitute with something else?
Sure. You can substitute with anything you like.
That's great. So guys, basically we're waiting for this ingredient to get ready in a couple more minutes, and I'll see you soon then. Okay, peace out. Okay, basically with the ayam Rica Rica, we can deep fry the chicken. Mostly people go with the chicken breast. So while you cook the main ingredient for the sauce, you can start deep frying your chicken breast. And as you can see over here, pretty much you put all the sauce and the chicken together. Just cook a little bit more, probably in 5 or 10 minutes, to make sure everything's mixed all together. And you can smell it, tastes really good right here in the kitchen right now. And also in the other side,
It's done.
it's actually done. Awesome. And the other side, Wangsa still stir it, the chicken porridge.
Yeah,
I mean the porridge
add
right
more
here.
water because the sweet potato is still hard.
Yeah.
It's more important to keep stirring it so it will not be
Sticky in the
under.
burnt stick, right? So this is gonna be the last step for the
Almost ready to
for the
eat.
porridge. Correct. It's almost ready. And you just put a little spinach, because spinach normally tend to get cooked really quick. And then in the meantime, we cooking the other dish, which is Chef, tell me a little bit, Chef.
Ikan Woku.
Okay. What is a woku mean, Chef?
Woku is originally from Manado.
Okay.
You can cook that woku with the tuna actually. Nice.
Okay.